Saka say? Say. Saka dili. Fried rice. Dili, ito plato mo. Ay, naunsa namang kanoon eh. Right, mga badi, mana. Fried rice. Mahaw.
These kids rushed outside when their dad told them there was a surprise waiting, and when his daughter saw it, she immediately ran to check it out, but her brother stayed still, thinking they hadn't gotten him anything. Then his sister noticed another one in the driveway, and his reaction was amazing.
Oh my gosh, thank you!
Wala ni dong ba? O ano ni?
These kids rushed outside.
Dog poop prank on the Balenciagas. You're gonna want to see this girl's reaction. It's literally priceless.
Huh?
Hindi.
Look at on your shoes. The dog on your shoes. Your Balenciagas.
So she's totally believing that this dog did something.
I can't put my hand. Go, okay. Go.
The poor dog.
2, 3, go! Go, 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 go!
He's using Buzz?
Order for Tiffany. She ordered one large scoop hoping for bracelets and big pieces. On a scale of 1 to